Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way you love me can fix how I hate myself.
Today's video will be a hair tutorial, wig making tutorial using this Lush braiding hair extension. So basically I'll just take it out of the pack, unravel it, then I'll divide it into two with my scissors, then I'll cut it again into another two. So you're meant to have 4 sections. So first off, when you take the braid out, you divide it into 2, then divide the first section into 2, divide the other section into 2. So the next step is to stretch the braiding hair. As you can see, the tips look blunt, so you just pick strand by strand, stretch. Heads up, this process is quite tedious, so just prepare yourself. So I'm just brushing out the hair once I've finished stretching. You can see the hair looks a bit longer. So now is the coiling process. I'll use my bendy rulers, take a braiding hair, just section it out, take a braiding hair, then wrap it round the bendy rulers. Just watch and see how I'm doing that. Just twist, then roll, twist, then roll, twist, then roll. Twist and roll, twist and roll, twist and roll. So you can use 3 or 4 braiding hair sections on a particular bending roller. To achieve the coil pattern, you need hot water, you need to add your conditioner, and you just let the hair sit for a few minutes, then you take it out to air dry. It's time for the wig making. So you need your hair. Once it's done drying, you need your wig cap, you need your T-pins to secure the wig cap on your mannequin head. So now I'm just trying to detangle the hair out of the bending rollers so you can see how the coils are turning out. You would also be needing your crochet pin. So I would section the hair. You can take about 4 or 5 out of a particular bunch, depending on how full you want the wig to be. So now I'll just start crocheting the hair through the wig cap. So everything I used to make this wig, I would list down in the description below.
Darling, oh darling, stay a while and figure me out. I promise you won't regret it. No, you won't regret it. I got ways.
So you just keep crocheting the hair round and round and round. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the video so far.
I got ways, I got lies, but I ain't trying to use them. Just to get where you go. Ooh, baby, more than a night. It could be amazing if on a daily basis we had a loving in a way that's better than okay. Yeah, just wait. You say each season bringing another reason we ain't leaving. Yeah, just wait. You say each season bringing another reason. Ain't leaving. Just you.
Compared to the back section of the wig, the front pieces of the hair should be smaller.
Another reason. Ain't leaving. Just you and me. If you stay, darling. Oh, darling. Stay a while and figure me out. I promise you won't regret it. No, you won't.
This is what the wig looks like so far. Still have a long way to go.
All me, all for you. This feel right, all kind of right to me. All me,
It's more than a night to me.
all me, all for you.
This feel right, all kind of right to me.
All me, darling, darling. Me out, you are darling, darling. Me out, you are darling. Me out, you are darling, darling. All me, me out, you are me out, all me, me out, you are all me, all for you.
Almost done with the hair, just a few bits left, so just keep crocheting your hair round and round. You can see the hair is taking shape.
You just glossy and trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall on. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. Why you acting like you gotta wait for it, honey? I know I've been in your head like shea butter, honey. You go out and tell your friends that we ain't none. They be in the group chat knowing that it ain't 100. Tell your ex-man brush up on his openers, cause I'm in California trying to put you where the ocean is. Hit the text late like you just now opened it.
Finally done with the wig, so I'll just trim the hair into the desired shape I want the wig to take. Trim, just fluff out the hair, then you trim the hair.
Yeah, I believe that. Oh, and I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just glossy and trying to keep it concealed. Oh, mama, I want it, just let it fall. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal.
So this is what the wig looks like after the trimming. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you like the color? Do you like how it looks? And this is what the inside of the wig looks like. So now I'm just going to be trying out the wig. So this is it.
I want it all.
Like this video if you like the hair. Like the video if you be trying out this wig. And if you are new to this channel, if you are seeing this face for the first time, hit the subscribe button and check out my videos. They'll be linked in the description and the cards above.
Cause I'll be at the next place.
Like this video if you would like to see more wig tutorials like this or more hair tutorial videos like this.
Feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just glossy
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.